Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program to remove all the duplicates from a string and return the result. So this can also be written as a Python script to remove the duplicate characters from a string. That is a problem statement. So we have to write a function and that is a function to remove the duplicates from a string, and we have to return the result. So we have to return the result to the calling function, that is a main. So let us try to solve this. So let me define a function that is remove underscore, that is duplicates underscore string. So this is my function, and what I'll do is I'll be passing the input underscore string. So this is my input string, and I have to return the result, that is after removing the result. So let me write a pass as far as now. So let me define this later. So now in the main functions we have to ask a user to enter the string. So let me take a variable that is string and use the input function call to ask a user to enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, so let us directly call this function that is remove duplicates, and let us try to print, that is resultant string after removing duplicates is, let's give colon, and here, so let us try to call this function that is remove underscore duplicates. So we have to pass the input string, that is this variable. Yeah, so now what we have to do is we'll be defining this function. So we'll be taking a temporary variable that is result and initializing it to an empty string. So we'll be filling this string. So while we try to iterate, that is for letter in, so we'll be trying to iterate all the letters present in the input underscore string, and check if the letter is not there in the result. So we'll be adding it. So let's use if the letter is not present in the result, that is a result variable, so that we are trying to return it to the main function. So we'll be checking if the letter is not present in the result. So let us try to add it. So because that will be new, we'll be adding the letter. Yeah, so once the for loop completes, so we have iterated all the letters present in the string. So let us try to return it. Use the return function, and we have to return the result. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program or the Python script to remove the duplicate characters from a string. So let me run this and let me show you how it works. So enter a string. So let's say hello. So you can see resulting string after removing duplicates is hello. You can see L has been removed. So let me close it. So let me run this again. So let's say enter a string. So this is my string. So you can see resulting string after removing the duplicates is, so you can see this value. So ENTR. So you can see E has been removed, and also A and spaces have been removed. And also you can see R has been removed over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that uses the Python function to return the result after removing all the duplicates characters from the string. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's all I had. Thank you for watching. Bye.